As the launch date of the Nothing Phone 3 draws near, the curiosity of the fans around the world is reaching new heights, as we already know that the Nothing Phone 3 is going to be released sometime in Q3, confirmed by Carl Pei himself. But now there's even bigger news, especially for those in the United States. But before we get into the details, please like and subscribe our channel as a gesture of support and motivation. That would mean a lot to us. For a while now, Nothing has a complicated relationship with the American market. While they've made their flagship phones available in the country, many of their other models were only accessible through a limited beta program. This program didn't offer full support for US carriers, and customers could only buy the devices through Nothing's official website. Because of that, phones like the Phone 2A and 3A series weren't practical options for many US users. Over the past 2 years, Nothing has mainly focused on mid-range devices, and since the launch of the Phone 2 in 2023, we haven't seen a new Nothing smartphone officially released in the USA. This long gap led many fans to question whether the Phone 3 would finally bring full support for American cellular networks. By the way, are you from USA? How is your experience with Nothing phones? Let us know in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is right there in the description. And if you have come this far, don't skip the video. We have an important question for you, so hold on for a moment. Recently, a Nothing Phone 2 user asked Carl Pei, directly on X, formerly known as Twitter, if the upcoming Phone 3 would launch in the USA outside of the beta program. The user mentioned using the Phone 2 on Verizon without issues and expressed interest in upgrading to the Phone 3. Carl Pei replied with a confident 100% gesture, confirming that the Phone 3 will officially support the USA market. This is a big deal because Nothing's budget models like the Phone 3A Pro don't include CDMA support, which means they don't work with Verizon at all. They also miss out on AT&T's 5G network, though they do support 4G. These limitations are a big reason why those models stay limited to the beta program. The good news is that the Nothing Phone 3 is going to be a full release in the US market, with proper support for all the major carriers. So if you're in the United States and have been waiting for a new Nothing phone that works seamlessly with your network, the Phone 3 might finally be the one you've been waiting for. Furthermore, Nothing has spent the last 2 years perfecting the Nothing Phone 3, and that's actually a great move. You can feel the excitement building among smartphone users, and it really makes you think, maybe other big companies like Apple and Samsung don't need to release a new phone every single year. Instead, they could take their time and focus on creating something truly meaningful for users. In recent years, both Apple and Samsung have been releasing smartphones that look and feel almost the same as their previous models, with only minor design tweaks and feature updates. It raises an important question. Do we really need a brand new smartphone every year? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinion. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.